So this has taken me roughly 40 minutes. This was 2 liters of milk. I have reduced the milk on a low flame. Remember, low flame is the key here. Reduce the milk on a low flame. Still we are not able to get the consistency I'm looking for. We're going to reduce this more, maybe 7 to 8 minutes. Then I'll show you what do we have. As you know, this is the lockdown period, so getting groceries is not easy, so we're making our own khoya for the Lauki halwa. Alright, so this is what we have after 50 minutes of reducing 2 liters of milk on a low flame. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this aside for. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we have here 2 medium size bottle gourd, and we're going to peel them off and quickly grate them. So I've taken this bottle gourd, I'm going to quickly peel it off, and after peeling I'm going to grate this. So when you grate this, you have to discard the middle part of the bottle gourd, because the seeds, they won't actually match the taste of the halwa, so we better throw the seeds. Once you're done with the peeling, what you have to do is you have to squeeze the excess water from this bottle gourd, which I'm going to show you. So this is how I have peeled the bottle gourd. I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to discard the middle part, and then I'll grate this. Try to take out as much as possible. You have to take out the middle part. Then you have to grate this. I have a grater here. I'll grate this. So we have taken a pan to which we are adding 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. Once this heats up, I have my grated bottle gourd here. I'm going to squeeze out the excess water, and I'm going to drop this here. On a medium heat. We're going to cook this till the bottle gourd loses all its water and is tender. Dry fruits. Alright, so this is ready now. We can serve this either cold or hot. It's your wish. So we're ready to dish it out.